ase no opiepie Kufuor do ho ene Buhari mu ene wenu enti ya ne so bi de twini do o magimi they don't know the system what the American now can system American system one day make decode the America na what America obi ya twini do na so matena fi because America onim de eba to America and come prove the come matena fi make decode the America even the Americans now don't want to know what is going to happen to them. Nansa na metie news omo ye entertainment industry they say omo boka oye ni movie ana nkofo akotwe unim say ye call cashless a wo de wo phone e twe na etew enti wo timi hwe obi movie abra wo mpia de eka enti cashless be mo nsa ka wo sika direct unlike say metimi the pen drive akoshe baby na makọ download na makọ
say krom say wo sa pay per view
YouTube me ada but say no metimi the pen drive atwe akoshe ni free but cashless ne ba the we bia na fa system enti ebeto
enti I did the system no I set up
system no set up oba sesia no be bia amfa
be bia amfi no
because Jesus Christ also oba ne said Yesu buy na system no was set say we are nyina kakasa baako we are nyina nim bridges ya link towns edwadie koso enti Yesu musa brand do afa de me ba de meka bia obi abeti last me explain inside the
yeah watch them
it is the same way no so fi say we are ya set amana oba emfa eno na we are say pimpin ko now ask yourself say why is every nation in the world developing nuclear weapons yede ko yede edi ko ngura makokumu no ya na every nation Russia and they produce bebre followed by the United States. And then I think China, North Korea will be, South Korea will be, Iran it will be, India it will be, Pakistan it will be, France, Australia, Canada, Egypt.
Who is the Antichrist?
They all have these nuclear weapons. And then on the Bible say the sixth trumpet in sound there. And to BBC we are saying we are going to lose 1/3 of the world's population. 2.5 billion people are going to die. Enti anse ekonba pe enipa tenase yenye asumdua pa apostle Paul aboy was say when they say peace and security impofrima enti sa there be yempentokwa biem yenye nhyehyɛ de na de ntokwa no ba injustice ene de bae adenti na bi mu di ye ne bi mu ni ye adenti na we hye we so de peperepere sa na tie de a yenya one currency ene ekosesa we sika mu du che we bi ani ho yenyi border nyina free wiase say Europe ene edi kan say we a member of the EU nations na say me women van say country be say Luxembourg na me say me call Belgium a free border bi ani ba bia eno me say be say be the Schengen so if Luxembourg na me call Belgium Europe na border bi ani ba bia say me free Belgium na me say me call Holland Europe na border bi ani ba bia na ka Britain kwa ka say Brexit o ma yo mo free so o ba UK o ba nya visa and sana wetini akọ nti Europe ahyere say we can remove all borders and be one people unim say na census here cause na EU monitor unim say abamba because we have satisfied all the requirements being demanded by the European Union so far as the census was concerned it is census no plan na omo ye no obi na ahye omo makaso omo ye ministers they are just assemblymen and ministers omo ye area yo de omo ye bia obi na ahye omo e na omo ye census me yes census me who census be several times me who census be 4 times since I'm fancy be see so say me nyini me who census be 4 times me who census ayaba ya bisa say edan do say ne wo fia toilet do say ne wo fia people are not being smart about the toilet bi be ka ho ama wana anasa dan o bi be ka ho ama any part system who is an dey ne be if you are become self-contained, dance and 10, nipa senate, nipa 1, or my record, they call records. A time in a day is coming out, you don't owe that house anymore. They will quantify the amount of that house into money. Near the good card, so near the go for 10. I bet if you. If you knew your mind, yeah. Said a baby, you go for free, or mom the dab on 2 pizza 10 with women in Abu Coffee because you see prosperity for all. Dotia montini de eniaje ona montini o beda dan papam so it's like eya de papa mumyamwa odone say odo betu ni ama onenti the first prophet will be using words like this na nipa nyina agege sa system na ede atu that system me say we also full solitia system ne be kuntini si ama kwan system ne fa wia, then there is no movement any leader. Movement be our leader. Oko Europe kura omo bese omo to aba no European president. Omo nya to aba kura no omo leader do se time na Italian guy be Giovanni Prodi. On na European president. Edrume bi kura no Peter Mandelson kura no EU trade minister. Omo so bese omo nya omo to aba no omo yi one European president na je se Macron beba be minister of France on behalf of the president of the EU. Oh, the Sana Africa ha one day EU president. Said about Nanado.
ECOWAS.
Aha. And this ECOWAS in Bono ECOWAS president. It is a bedroom baby. Kabo EU African and Gaddafi. Plus, we the African is a common command by maybe say or not a African in Abunan Kuma by African president. Common command the president of the United States of Africa. In the Banesa. Ibenya bibiti say minister of Ghana, minister of Egypt, minister of but about presidency na one person. It is all America, yeah. States. Yeah. Na one leader. It is a we are seeing now become the leader. Na obeshe we are seeing now. He is that person. Say one champion the agenda say in United Nations. So could that person be the leader of the United Nations when the time comes? But the Otisu says out in the Dean so far, or checking the Dina and could he be the one? Could Muhammad Ahmadi also be the one? Because Islamic prophecies say the promised Messiah according to Muslims is yet to come, and indeed Muhammad Ahmadi. Fortunately or unfortunately, the day Muhammad knows what the year the grammatiana at least 666. Sorry, I have to say this. That doesn't mean Saudi Muhammad be only 666. No. I'm just saying, say, Edi Muhammad, no, o de Talia, now finally Grammaciana, Ufa letters na, Ubenya 666.
The name only Muhammad.
Muhammad, no. And also the name is also Muhammad Al Mahdi. So maybe, and he's also coming and say, almost like Islamic Caliph, where the son of the 11th Caliph will disappear, also according to Islamic theology. And this is why the Shiites and the Sunnis are fighting. Obia pese or the lawyer, the loyalist. And Islam for himself in Chekura sa papa we ebeba. According to Islamic prophecies, also about obedi 7 years. Obe kan kremufo nyina bom. Na kremufo fa wiase no ma control bibia wo wiase. After 7 years you will die. And according to Ahmadi no 7 years ne so a Jesus Christ be say free suraba. No oni nyina be wuni asi o ma bom Muhammad nchen. That is Islamic theology. That is their belief. But there are some should I say, I'm trying to get the right word. Semblances be similarities be the Bible now, because the Antichrist also sign a peace deal with many for 7 years. In the middle of that peace deal, no, and obe breaky and now a persecuted the part. That means the lifespan of 7 years. Though the 7 years and the 7 year reign, no, and then on also ba obe control system bibia. Amadi niso oba no so be kan kremofo na Islam afa we are seeing na afa. So could he? I'm just saying, choosing my words. Could he be the Antichrist? Could he be the Antichrist? Could he? Because Mekatro say, yes, you might not go forbidden the Jesus, you bad Jesus, but they were not the Messiah. Certain things become one son, you who say, only Messiah. Because there's a sign panoba with oratory, but can we assume boom? They say, BMO and I'm who is saying is being sure. Yes, sir. He says only the Bible will come. Because Obama can be a trick Christopher say, Muslims from Jesus had power, and then it is also Jesus. Where is your power? And he will rather demonstrate power. Bible can say, power the agenda never free Friday. Abba. And amount for flattery, and we the true Messiah. Have you seen it? Yes, please. Could the false prophet also be the same person as the Antichrist? Because Antichrist, as a bonini, as a false prophet in a so could the Antichrist be the system and the false prophet be the main man? That could it's also another possibility. So whoever the false prophet nso na make say eno so hwe nyoma mu a eya ase Pope Francis ne yo ne nsam kanye bi mu no eya kire say
one world religion
ono no promote ono na yesa nka wiase nyina enya one system of education is in the pipeline coming ko mu koshia ewo Brussels and na COVID-19 no na ye main bibi na COVID-19 no be say sa meeting no nke ye ko scientists say system of education our world our people the LGBTQ no count it the whole world oba culture ewa America na me culture Ghana the mebani issue na America ni the same thing no so ye dey issue so you see some kind of indoctrination be here ekoso Pope yi na say yanka ye humum education ba ko one system one world religion he is championing all these causes oko Morocco asema ko kan ni say oye Christiani a oko asori kosia da enye witness nkire obi aso maji Yesu ni na gofa o how bi ama in persecution they spread the gospel people died and the gospel was spreading. I've told you say the power of the gospel lies in persecution. Sure. Who say can you be a priest? Can you tell me say what Jesus Christ akonya? So you could see say who the Catholic will surely wear it. Question mark no and the dankrofobia 3 so could he be the president of the European Union? What is going to could he be the president of the United States? I doubt. Because US will go down at a certain point in time in history. I've already explained this. It's biblical.
Yeah, biblical. Yeah.
So could he be the? Some people think the American president the BSSS.
No.
Could he be the European Union leader?
Really?
Could he be Muhammad Ahmadi, the promised Messiah we are looking forward to? Could he be the United Nations leader? Who could this person be? The question mark is on these 4 people. The Pope, quote unquote, US president, the EU president or the leader, Muhammad Ahmadi, the promised Messiah yet to come. Or it could be some kind of angel be free by big buy, I know about this because UFO reports, mom go space, and such as aliens. Maybe who knows? Because we don't know the identity, you name mommy, you name papa, but obey a brilliant person. I want something to me a day.
Demonically anointed,
full of power, full of wisdom. So who could this be?
Who could this be?
Could he be a black person, a white person, an Indian, an Asian, a Caucasian, and also could he be a Jew?
Oh, my enema kakra bia I was saying we can't do anything about it.
That's what I'm saying. But the time in the day is coming. You have a choice. Choose death over the mark. Choose death over them. And you have the right.
Okay.
But system on a certain stage, there is nothing. We saw SDA, we are Pentecost, Anglican, rulers, RCC, ICGC. Nobody can stop the system. It's only mobile money account. Software is only mobile money. SDA software mobile. JWS for mobile money account. So the system you can't stop it. But when it goes to the crunch, say system not producing leader until some leader, you have your own right. I want a human right.
Okay, Baba. And there will be any permission whenever we so. Papa, dear, Abbey, in show. Your country now on blockade. Do want to move in different.
Also, a barbaric, a satanic, a demonic. Nayame Yasen Kofubizo, me lawyers, or me professors, or more university. You see, Macassi Yan San is also no creature, and I don't want to no crest. Or more no creature, and to me a Jimmy Fumu in the highest order, the most highest order. So I have Dr. Juan lawyer Ampao. Professor, whatever you call yourself, me say you are stupid to the most highest order. Tell us, say you don't believe that there is God. If we believe that there overcome, say, Bone nipa oye nipa, no matter what mistakes, but trying to change the status quo. We are pointing. You see, Satan is trying to reduce humanity to even to the level, say, below even animals. We are pointing. Appointing better than who's appointing a bema chasing appointing bema. When they chasing appointing bema, to come on and they say, or Bejeneba. Na bema nyamia boss, media the baby a toilet can fa, a hona mefa. You see, they are possessed. Fina better a home fi. Only deliverance. any so-called activists for no kwabena Akufo-Addo offers Gabi Wachiredako, lawyer Ampao, and so-called professors no so la Ousumone Wamamunano, they need deliverance. We need to lay hands on them. Because you see, I've told you, say, Satan will change everything or destroy marriage if homosexuality and lesbianism, or they say marriage, proper sexual human rights, or say no, or say the be a nyamiake beyond or by so baby, I know what was saying. It did nyamia yibiano or say no, or the lady eba. Now go point yadi kama wa we na hu no for na hese do si gina ho na ho kra just bibi yayo bon sam say there be empe no kotrumu ba bi e ho bon ho ye kanka nyankopon say bia no do nsaka wo say there be tibidi wu obeti say nyankopon and what na ho tell me because obi a wo support sa de we bia no na say so say nyame bia ni ho you are your own god and wo ye ni awankasa wo pe and enya Ghana ha intimate adanti na brofo no nka say okay, why are you practicing homosexuality? The aeroplane, very cool, free. Never practice Ghana for say mountain because they say me to seeking amnesty say ye permekumi or Ghana. Mobejimat now. It gave for in Amonko US embassy and Australia and Canada and one say Ghana for some meantime. I'm more movies and metram krumo. Why? Now Musa Mugoa, Muslim Pegi, Mumrami and Ghana. Right. Young Penene and Penetina. Now, who empty a 1% yes, I do, you already lost your seat. And only a control about economy, and we are more bomb MPP NDC, economy more bomb, we are for Mujia, my sicker. It will be anti criticizing the young country and against me, the control. We say, learning a lot from you, Daddy. Kofi-Addo, oh, Kofi, I miss you. The Nakusi was a powerful teaching. Ezekiel Boateng was a thank you, Papa. Poa J is my favorite guy. Also say, Papa, Papa, deep mysteries demystified today. Deep mystery demystified today. And I say we are blessed to have you. God bless you, God's General. Chasapi, I say well done, Papa. Isaac Anoche, I say thanks, Papa. Isaac Nanaje, I say powerful revelation. I say you are true. You are true. One of my Muslim friends always says it has left small for them to take over the world. See, Dana, answer the Biamaka say, Seminu didn't come up on Jamie can't send people, but Mintimin can't and sempty because of the diversity, ye culture, ne, your mercy, Seminu pieces, ya me met me a can be point blank, actual says, but Mintiminka. There are so many things I met me a wow, why any pa, say, me say, the false prophet is alive, the Antichrist is alive, they are all there. If you come home, I know what you
and nature say, or say, young boy, ne almost a enche bia, Christo.
Because I don't know, I'm watching now, I'm setting stage, Munyan say my, I just say, oh, maybe a conference or hotel, Mr. Munya say, Munyan say, mammy. I say a bonke bagana. Good, you come here, set a man. Stage be if I was say, West School, when you buy or struggling in any Panabu. Only the about the minister. Good. And see, on Sassian will peer Kufuado, any Buhari, anyway, it's the idea so be the Chini, they don't know the system. What the American assistant, American assistant. One day made decode America. Now, the American way actually don't have so much nephew. Because America will be able to America and come through the Kamet nephew. Made decode America. Even the Americans now don't want to know what is going to happen to them. Yeah, say American everything. All right. Yeah, next week make us about the two faithful witnesses. Almost by appear on the same scene. This email, so almost appear. So who are they? Some say it's Elijah. Some say it's Moses. So who are they? Are they truly Elijah and Moses? Next week, meet me here.
All right. Next week, meet us here. Exactly 10:30 on the dot. We talk about the two faithful witnesses, Reverend Jesse and Energy and Kojumoni and after Precious. All right. Yami Aduma, that's your name. You be Asia. Yami Asia pass Oje Brenna or share in the next 10 minutes. We are coming back on this platform. This platform is loaded with Bishop Solomon is great men of God in the Baha. Councillor Collins Bonsu na ware sama ba papa nso de wie sama ba Bishop Solomon nso de ebetwa so on paibom
marriage first without marriage into the
say on like your page na like uko YouTube nso Holy Calling television so Holy Calling ministry and I say oba ahanso Holy Calling ministry Facebook enjumadi a edi aha no ye boa ma nipa ti rade asem nti your Bible cry ton wa your books bia o ha Perry Stone books Archbishop book be up bia no oba aha obenya bi ato. This is your humble servant Akoseje this is my father, my papa, Reverend Jesse Echampo. I call him the eschatology man. Papa, eschatology man, we love you. God bless you so much. Thank you.
God bless you.
We meet again same time next week Friday.
Shalom.
Shalom.
Peace.